How to contact Snapchat support. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can contact Snapchat support. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. How to contact Snapchat support. If you want to contact the support team from Snapchat, what you have to do is to first of all, just open up your Snapchat app. Tap on the Bitmoji avatar from the top left. Tap on the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen. And scroll down until you see the option called Help Center and tap on this Help Center button. Now here you can see various type of help topics that you might be facing. If it solves your problem, perfectly fine, but if not, just scroll down and it says need to get in touch with Contact Us button. So tap on the Contact Us button. Now you can select any of the issues that you might be facing, and you can also ask us a question by tapping the search bar. So let's say if you have any issues with your account, you can select that. And what you can do is you can select whatever issues that you're facing over here, and you'll find the contact link over there. So depending upon whatever issues that you have, if I select my account was compromised, let's say for example, you can see they will ask me to type in the username of my Snapchat account and email and your own mobile number. So you can type in whatever issues you're facing based on the topic that you need to find out from. So this way you can contact Snapchat support, but remember that you will not get a personal number that you can call to Snapchat 24/7 because Snapchat has billions of users, and as a result, they cannot accommodate to every single user. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.